Ryan bought me my very first Chanel bag for our anniversary and for my birthday coming up. So let's unbox this Chanel bag together. Even just the bag and the white camellia sticker are so pretty. I thought about it for a few months because I couldn't decide what bag I wanted. So many pretty options to choose from. I was going between the classic small and the cocoa handle and wasn't sure which color I wanted. I'll show you what I got in a bit. Of course, it comes in a nice little dust bag. And a few informational booklets talking about the history of the bag and the brand. Now let's reveal this baby. Can you now guess which one I ended up getting? I decided on the classic handbag instead of the cocoa handle because I thought classic is more timeless. Then I had to decide on the color, which was hard. Ta-da! I ended up getting the classic small in navy blue color with champagne hardware. The mint was super pretty, but thought I could only wear it during the summer and it's probably hard to match with my outfits. Then I thought, classic black. But when the salesperson showed me the navy blue, I immediately fell in love. The black is super classic, but to me, it had a more formal look. I'm more of a casual girl, so the navy blue would go well with more of my daily outfits. I also really like the champagne hardware that goes with it. I also tried on the medium size, but for my petite body, it looked way too big on me, and the small size suited me a lot better. So here's my unboxing of my very first Chanel bag. Super happy with my decision and can't wait to take this baby out. Thanks, Ryan!